Hello guys, welcome to my Build-A-Boat thing. I don't know what we're gonna do. It's gonna be pretty random, and I'm here with my friend Home Depot Monkey.
Hey,
yeah. Okay,
hey,
let's join.
Can you join my team?
I want to join Banana Team.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so should we do a build battle?
No.
Not really a build battle, just like a build.
I don't know. Hey, you said you made another one of those Amazon.
Oh yeah, me and my friend here made Amazon boxes. And
It's not Amazon, it's Amazon. Let's get out.
Oh dude, I'm stuck inside your seat.
Get out.
Thank you, sir. Dude, if we launch, they're just gonna hit each other. Look, they're staring each other in the eyes. Look, I have golden tape. So do you.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's hop in.
Why is
So, we have better stuff than this. We just want to introduce this first. All right, should we launch it?
I mean, this stuff is pretty good. Made out of pure obsidian, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I made it to the end with this thing last time.
Ooh,
Dude, my Amazon box is bigger.
I'm an Amazon box.
Gas, gas, gas.
No,
I'm gonna
no,
step on the gas. This is how I won last time.
Hang on. Gas, gas, gas.
If I lose all my wheels, I'm gonna be sad. We have to deliver our box to the owner of Amazon.
The package has been flipped
I've
over.
lost a wheel. I've lost a wheel.
No, it's not Amazon. Oh, well, yeah, it is Amazon.
What if we had 4 wheels on the top and 4 on the bottom?
This
just
is
in
an
case?
Amazon box.
Dude, we lost our aim. We lost our aim. I lost it, dude. I lost it. I lost control. Okay, now we just wait. Okay, we're gonna pause it here. Okay, little update. We're being thrown at with balls and stuff. This is the circus zone. And yeah.
Okay, I'm back.
So, leave in the comments if you think I'm gonna make it. Duh, yeah, obviously. Also, my walls are starting to crack.
Oh, did one of my walls break here? No. This Amazon box is perfectly fine.
I have only 1 wheel left. After this wheel is broken, there's no more.
Hey,
I can't.
my box is perfectly fine.
Hey,
What?
because yours is smaller. Just wait.
Yeah, and you're being my shield right now.
Well, yeah, wait till the tsunami comes. Or if it even will come. No, it won't. But still, dude, we'll both make it. My box is thicker, bro. I think there's I think there's a train coming. Train, hit him, hit him!
No!
Yes! No! Dang it, that was close. I heard the train. I have no more wheels. You're flipped upside down.
Yeah, none of us.
Oh
can
look, it's the
move.
shroom zone. Well, yeah, if you were just flipped over, you could move.
Whoa, is it me or am I starting to hallucinate because these shrooms?
There are no shrooms.
These shrooms are passing on some fumes, man.
I hope I hold back so much that you get inside in front of me. Look, my Amazon box is smiling at you.
Mine is smiling too.
I hope you get ahead of me.
Your crack is bigger now.
I don't care.
It's not all over my Amazon.
I'm surprised my door isn't broken yet. Alright, dude, this is where it's just... It's going for you! I mean, it's going for only me. Bro, you're dying! Yes!
No!
My seat! Oh, my seats are broken! And your walls just... Face! Oh, God! My door! Okay, I hope I have a lot of cracks so I can hop in whenever we fall.
Yours only has one more crack, and mine has a whole missing wall.
I know! And
Hey,
at least you have seats!
Why are the crocodiles still here?
Yeah, you're right! I have no more smile!
Yeah.
At least I have my wall. It's a red Amazon box. It looks like it looks like I just did put like kind of like ketchup. Like ketchup that's in the human body, you know? Like I did some like I grabbed the kitchen knife and I did something to somebody. Like something. And then like I poured all the ketchup on top of this, like the body ketchup.
No. It's like as if you like dropped the box off a building and like it had a bunch of heavy stuff. So like when it crashed on someone's head, their head went pop, and a bunch of Kool-Aid got on it.
Hold on, it's floor. I'm gonna fall out whenever I fall, but I will be able to get back in because these cracks are big enough to hold my body.
Team, I have no seats at all.
Oh my god, dude, you'll definitely make it. I guess at least. After this, we're just gonna do planes and fly with each other. No, actually, let's build after this. So let's talk about what we're going to build.
Oh, I'm going to try staying away from you. Oh no.
So what do you think?
We're in this together, buddy.
Yes, brother. Your tiny box doesn't work, doesn't it, Conrad? My walls are thick. Goodbye.
My box is working. It is. It's gonna make it. I'm pretty sure.
See ya, little box. I'm making it for you. At least I think.
My box is little.
Oh, I fell in the water. That's karma. That's actually karma.
Yes, it actually is.
Okay. I have less health, but that's okay.
Push, box.
We're gonna make it. One of your walls is levitating. I don't know if you can't see it. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see it. One of his walls is levitating over there.
The wall broke.
Oh, never mind, it broke.
Oh, hey, we still got some
I made it. Okay,
we got some red tape on the top. Yes, Mike.
I got some tape as well.
Should I call this thing up? Should I still call this thing box?
Okay. Ready, set, go out.
Yo. Oh.
Dude, I'm not gonna make it. Dude.
Well, it's easy for me to get in.
No. Cash, no.
Yes.
No.
I'm gonna make it.
My box made it. It's just I fell out.
That was probably karma for you bullying my
No, I wasn't bullied. At least I got more gold than you because I had double the gold. Okay, so what should we build?
Let's pay to win, man.
True. But what should we build?
I don't know. What do you think we should?
I don't know. Let's think. We'll be right back when we're done. Think.
Kamikaze.
Okay, so we have builds, and we are going to go to space together, bro. Together. Oh. By the way, if you're wondering what this game is called, it's called Buildable for Treasure.
In Roblox, everyone knows what Buildable for Treasure is.
Yes, but unless you're not a gamer or whatever, and you don't have Roblox, that's where it is. So let's
You
launch.
mean unless you live under a rock?
Well, some people here don't have Roblox. But okay, let's launch in 3, 2, 1.
No!
He's slipping out!
I failed the launch and accidentally jumped down!
Brother!
Die!
Brother! I see him down there.
If only you paused it and was like, technical difficulties. My rocket! It just ran into me!
Let's try that again.
It's in the ground! It escapes!
Oh god, it's done now. Or actually, oof ourselves, I mean.
It's escaping.
And we saw it again.
You don't have to say for stuff like that. You don't.
This time, try not to make your ship freak out, alright?
Yeah, I know.
I've had one of those kamikazes before, and they have been very, very hard to control. So yeah, let's.
Hey guys, want to know how to get free Robux?
Go to scam.org.
No, that's a fake one. That's a scam. Don't launch it, Dylan. How you do it is, okay, so you go in your mom's room, you steal your mom's credit card, you go to your tablet, you press buy Robux, and then you type in the credit card and all this other stuff that you need in it. Okay.
You type in those strange looking numbers. Okay. Launch in 3, 2, 1.
Oh. The kamikaze has launched. Remember, straight up.
I see you,
I see you.
comrade. Alright.
Dun dun da da da.
This is what it looks like at first person. I
This is
don't know.
a literal action movie.
Yeah, actually, you're right.
Is it me or am I going sideways?
You're not. Turn to me. Okay, should we drop soon? Let's
No.
drop.
No, Dylan, don't.
Why?
We're gonna fly until we lose fuel.
Oh, let's do it. Yeah. I want to see one of us fall. It's gonna be funny. We just saw. I just saw the whole entire map.
Yeah, I see the whole map too. When are we gonna do that Thanos snap thing that I saw on his?
Dude, I think your ship got Thanos snapped.
No, it didn't.
I can't see. Oh, I just saw it all the way down there.
I see yours. No, it's not. It's not down. It's like
Oh, I just saw it. No, I just saw it.
yeah, I see right there.
Brother!
Hey.
La 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 la. After this, we build something and then ended there.
Okay.
See that little line right there, guys? That's a ship. I want to wait until one of us loses fuel. I think it's going to be you first. And then right after me. Because remember when you were flipping out and you were using fuel?
No, I was barely flipping out though.
Yeah, but still. I'm freaking lost. There you are.
Are we entering like glitchy zone?
Oh, I actually jumped out for a second. I want to see when I lost fuel.
I did too. Haha!
I jumped out by accident. We're going down. We're going down. I'm not gonna make it, bro.
No.
I'm not gonna make it to the map. Am I? No. I didn't. I fell. I'm dead.
I don't want to miss the map. And launch.
Yeah, I didn't get any gold. Okay, let's think of something to build.
Wow.
What should we build, buddy boy?
I refuse to die. Okay, hurry up. Yes. And go. I'm gonna land in the swamp. They won't just get anything and just go, okay? Go. I want you to see me landing.
Okay, fine. Go. Don't land. Have to land. Anything to see a ship land. That's how I'll get a land. I don't know if I'm gonna make it, yo.
Stop or something.
Bro.
What?
I saw you.
Yeah, park on the side.
In the park.
Okay, so just...
Are you coming in? I see a ship. He's doing a Beyblade. Was it gonna come through this side or that side? You're on the other side. Okay, I gotta fly over there. You're on the other side, I think.
Yeah, I am. Are you serious?
Oh God, I just.
Too big for sleep. We're gonna miss out on my ship landing.
I see it.
We landed!
I saw it, dude. There he is. See that little red and that white and red thing? That's him. That's him. Ah! No, dude. Are you calling me that? Oh yeah! I see your ship. I see your ship.
I already got out of there.
Dang it.
No, I didn't reset.
I'm just gonna reset. All right, we made it. So, what do we build? This is gonna be art. Absolute mwah art. We need to be quick. We gotta wrap this up.
So we can just wrap it up now, maybe?
Nah.
You
Oh.
haven't?
Okay, I'm just gonna build a banana for the monkey club. Everybody here, put in the comments that you're a true monkey. Because I need to make sure. If you say you're an ape, leave. I'm sorry. You gotta leave. Because no apes allowed here. We think them as aggressive.
I can't build because I didn't reset to get back.
Reset then. Oh,
No, it took me that long to finish to get back.
okay. I'm building a banana for the banana boys. And girls.
Banana? Banana.
I need for this to be a... Alright, we'll give you an update after I'm done building. Okay, so new update. We got one of the sides done, and yeah, we're all done with this little segment. So let me just delete it now.
No, you should have kept it. No.
Dang it. I should have just made it invisible. Well, whatever. Let's just.
Well, hang on. I have a prize. It's more bananas.
More bananas.
Wait, yeah.
Oh, look, there's my ship.
No, Dalen, you don't have PvP on it. It's not gonna work.
Oh, you guys see nothing? Okay, what?
Someone to gun you down.
What's
Like,
on?
fly. Turn on PvP mode, quick.
I did.
Oh, it's on?
No. What's that? What's that?
Here. Ah! Die! Ah!
Yeah, you ran out.
Ammo, no!
See ya. Ah!
Luckily, this doubles as a kamikaze! Ah! Why is it not blowing up? Why no boom? Where's the boom? Ah! No.
I'm breaking it. I'm out. Ah! No!
Out of ammo. No, I can't.
I'm destroying it. You cannot escape.
Get me in there.
You cannot escape. No!
Ah.
Goodbye. See you later. There's no hitting you.
Okay, let's just end it off there.